The Death Flip cocktail. Is it a modern classic? I think so. Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Okay guys, so today I'm going to make the Death Flip cocktail. It is a cocktail that was created in Melbourne by Chris Highstead. Well, actually, it's not Chris Highstead anymore. It's Chris Highstead Adams. And it was at Black Pearl in Melbourne. It is a recipe with some pretty bizarre ingredients. Not that the ingredients are bizarre themselves, but the way that Chris thought about putting them together is absolutely brilliant. And I think on their menu, the Death Flip, it used to say something like, it's the cocktail that you wouldn't want to meet in a dark alley, and that the ingredients were sort of unknown. They didn't let you know because Chris liked the ingredients that he put in his cocktail, but he's a little bit worried about his customers reading it and not liking it. So they would order it. When they said it was amazing, he would then tell them what the ingredients are. And the first thing that we're going for is some Blanco or Plata Tequila. This is the Herradura. And we're going to start with 30 mils or 1 ounce. The second ingredient is one of my favorites, 15 mils or half an ounce of Jägermeister. Then 15 mils of yellow Chartreuse. Just a dash of sugar syrup or sugar gum. I'm going to do like about 5 mils tops. And then what makes it a flip? 1 whole egg. Now I'm known to be a little bit lazy with my dry shakes, but with a whole egg and a flip, I'm going to give it a really good dry shake to start with. Just doing that to emulsify that egg, and I'll add some ice to it. We're then going to double strain it into a chilled glass. In this case, I'm using a Nick and Nora. And last but not least, just some grated nutmeg on top. There you have the Death Flip. Okay, let's give it a try. Creamy, herbal, strong, a little bit of bitterness. It's got everything in there. That really nice honey coming through from the yellow Chartreuse. Flips kind of used to, they just make me feel a bit weird at the start when I heard putting a whole egg into a cocktail, but they've been around for so long. It's definitely worth trying. Obviously, if you're vegan, you can't have one, but it is beautiful. It's a really great drink. For me, Black Pearl, it's got a special place in my heart. It was the cocktail bar that many years ago, when I was running a nightclub, my first venue, I just had enough of it. It wasn't for me. I stumbled across the Black Pearl, had a few drinks, drank my first Negroni. I think I'm talking now 2005. I think it was 2006. I think it was Robbie there, Tim Phillips. I'm not sure if Chris was there, although I was there a lot of times after that. And went home, put it on the market, said this is what I want to do, and yeah, look where we are now. So Mr. Highstead, or Mr. Highstead Adams as we call you now, fantastic. Yes, this should be a modern day classic. I have seen it before as an upcoming modern day, but this is definitely up there with all the other classics. And like, subscribe, see you again soon. Let's Talk Drinks.